Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will start Unit 4 Accounting for Labor Cost or Labor Costing. In this unit, you will learn the concept labor cost and will solve problems on calculation of earnings of workers under different methods. Let's study the methods of wage payments. There are three different methods of wage payments. Number one, time wage system. Second, piece rate system. Third, other methods in that incentive plans, co-partnership, and profit sharing. So we'll study all these methods in this chapter and we'll solve problem on this method. Let's start with the time wage system or time rate system. It is the simplest and the oldest method of wage payment. Under this method, wages are paid on the basis of time spent by the worker in the factory, irrespective of number of units produced by them. Time-based system is the simplest and the oldest method of wage payment. Under this method, the workers or the employees are paid wages on the basis of time spent by them. Okay, how many hours they have worked in the factory. On the basis of that, they are paid remuneration and not on the number of units produced by them. Here is the formula to calculate the earnings of workers under time wage system. Earnings is equal to time taken into time rate per hour. Let's see one example. Calculate the earnings of worker under time wage system. Time wages per hour rupees 5. Okay. Per hour the remuneration is rupees 5. Time taken by the worker is 15 hours. Okay, the worker has worked for how many hours? 15 hours and for 1 hour the wage rate is rupees 5. Let's calculate his earnings. Solution earnings is equal to formula right here. This formula time taken into time rate per hour. Time taken, how much time he has taken? 15 hours. So write here 15 hours into time rate per hour. Time rate per hour is rupees 5. 15 into 5, answer is 75. So total earnings of a worker under this method is rupees 75. So this is a small example on time wage system. Next we'll see the piece rate system. Under this system, wages are paid on the basis of output produced by the worker, irrespective of time taken by him. So, in piece rate system, the wages or the remuneration paid to the worker on the basis of output, on the basis of number of units produced by the workers, and not on the time taken by the worker or the time spent by the worker. In time-based system, the importance is given to the time and not on the output. But in piece rate system, the importance is given to output, number of units produced, and not on the time spent by the worker. So here is the formula to calculate the earnings under piece rate system. Earnings is equal to number of units produced into rate per unit. Earnings is equal to number of units produced into rate per unit. Let's see an example. Calculate earnings of worker under piece rate system. Piece rate rupees 2 per unit. Actual output 25 units. Okay, the worker has produced how many units? 25 units and the rate per unit is rupees 2. Let's calculate. Earnings is equal to number of units produced into rate per unit. Number of units produced, that is 25 units into rate per unit. Piece rate means rate per unit is rupees 2. 25 into 2, rupees 50. Okay, the total earnings of a worker under piece rate system is rupees 50. In next video, we'll solve 10 marks problem on this topic, that is time-based system and piece rate system. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.